Presenting the Nesty GR33 Canary. Another not so ordinary Nesty. It's a special one. This one is beautiful. 51 watts. And look at the size of the thing. It's small, but it's 50 flipping 1 watts. TWS again. You can connect 2 speakers to one device. I mean, oh, this is lovely. The shape, the design, it's phenomenal. Let me just open it. There we go. Okay. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? It's even heavy. It's heavy. It's got speakers underneath. On the sides. The woofers are on the sides. This is a real boombox. No tripping. Let's give it a try. Oh my god. Canary. Pairing. It's already asking me to pay before I do anything. Jeez. Who does that? Who makes things like this? Oh my god. It's got a display showing me the battery. Battery is fully charged. Bluetooth mode. Of course you have your usual. The charging port, your aux port, your USB slot. It has no memory card slot. That's funny. But anyway, it's worth ignoring. All controls in front. Let's give it a shot. What can we play today? There we go.
Yeah, you should've never mixed me and Bus up. It's a lethal combination. In the beat goes. Yeah. Hallway and T-Bone. What y'all know about that? Let's go. I'm trying to change this music, my nigga, it's official. I'm tired of hearing you. Yeah. You should've never mixed me and Bus up. It's a lethal combination. In the beat goes.
Movement.
Yeah. Hallway and T-Bone. What y'all know about that? Let's go. I'm trying to change this music, my nizzle, it's official. I'm tired of hearing hitters that whistle and sizzle when gangsters pull out their pistols. I'm like only trying to get in the middle and settle the difference. There's too many rappers that's tripping, no, nobody wanna listen. Plus I'm tired of all the cussing and cursing, so I started rehearsing, working on converting a better version for every person that's hurting, lurking, searching for life's purpose. Feeling suicidal and worthless, but you ain't certain. If you're ready to die, leave this earth surface and cross over and see what's on the other side of this life's curtain. Call me the Moses of rap, taking it back to the days when this artifact was about the women and cats. I'm sick of this rap. Matter of fact, how many more women you finna pimp and gangsters we gonna cap and murder them all? Packing Biggie, they ain't here anymore. Better do something sound like trumpet, cause I'm going to war. To all the players popping off at the lip. Frontin' the street game like you a pimp. You coming up and going down with the shit.
Comes with a belt.
And all the ladies that be shaking their hips. Up in the strip club, stacking them chips. Top of the world, put you down in the
Who
pits.
does that?
It's a nigga around the sun, the big pun who flip tongues on kick drums and lead rappers like big tongues from big guns. Better panic, cause I'm charismatic and automatic when it comes to this phonographic magic. I gotta have it.
I really want to see what JBL has.